Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. You need to begin by accessing tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same tile again. You can also go into Devices Settings and click on Display section right away. Then scroll down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!